My name's Mark and welcome to the Michael Davitt Museum. Michael Davitt, you probably know him as the father of the Land League. What we try and do here in the museum is show the rest of Michael's life and legacy. And it's a remarkable story. So Michael, born here in Straide during the Great Famine, not the best of starts. Forced emigration at the age of 4.5 after the eviction from the house. From that inauspicious start, Michael Davitt strides the world by his death as a global reformer and international statesman. A family man too, and a lot of the artefacts here in the museum are personal items from Michael. Indeed, most of these artefacts have been donated by the family. Michael received many accolades during his life. Patron of Glasgow Celtic Football Club, patron of the GAA, freeman of the city of Limerick. His story, starting with pain and hunger, ending with such acclaim, makes him truly remarkable, and to my mind, one of the most influential Irishmen ever. The museum is actually based in Michael's church. This is a 300-year-old building. Michael baptised in this very room. Indeed, his parents were married in this very room. We have guests obviously from all over the world. A lot of English, a lot of Americans, a lot of Northern Irish, lots of Scottish people. We'd normally start with a DVD. That'll give you the bare bones of Michael's life, and then an experienced and professional tour guide will take you around the museum, show you various artefacts. Behind me is the final resting place of this great man, Michael Davitt, and he lies here on his own. He was buried in 1906 after going to the dentist. But Michael developed sepsis in his jaw, and that's what killed him. Michael Davitt influenced, I suppose Gandhi would be the biggest name. Gandhi as a young man studied law in London, and he listened to Michael Davitt in the Houses of Commons. And indeed we know from Gandhi's grandson that Gandhi kept copies of Michael's speeches in his house. Gandhi would later go on to use similar tactics in his own Indian independence campaign that Michael used in the Land War. And indeed we're twinning with the Gandhi Museum in New Delhi. I want people to leave the Michael Davitt Museum obviously with the knowledge of his life and legacy, but more importantly, going away saying, my God, what a fella he was.